It's very nice.
ये चंदन का लेप से चालू करो ना, चंदन का लेप, फिर
First you have to put flowers at their feet and tulsi in mind.
मिला नहीं करो flowers तो.
Flower नहीं मिला तो you offer flower also in mind and tulsi also in mind.
Okay. उसके बाद फिर then लेप, चंदन का लेप and then.
हाँ. Yes. Then चंदन का लेप लगाएंगे, जब तक लगाएंगे जब तक ब्रह्म संहिता पूरा नहीं हो जाए.
ओ. फिर नहीं लगाया क्या प्रभु चंदन का लेप?
दिख रहा है, बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है.
हाँ.
Open Brahma Samhita. We can unmute anyone who is comfortable and we can recite it together. Mood and attitude is to invite the Supreme Lord in the deities.
Recording in progress.
प्रभु ये चंदन का लेप तो पैर से चालू करेंगे ना लगाना?
यस प्रभु, हम पैर से भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे आपको ठीक लगे.
नहीं पैर मतलब फीट से करेंगे ऐसा?
हाँ,
पैर से.
What we can do actually is let us start Brahma Samhita, then we will see. है ना?
हाँ.
We can start devotees. रूपराज राम प्रभु को याद है, आप ट्यून में शुरू करिए प्रभु, आप मुझे फॉलो करो.
Okay, bro. Then pro others also can unmute themselves and sing together. Ishvara Parama Krishna Satchidananda Vigraha Anadiradir Govinda Sarvakaranam Chintamani Prakarashakalpa Vriksha Laksha Vriteshu Shabhirabhipalayantam Lakshmi Sahasra Shatasam Brahmasevyamanam Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Venu Anantamaravindadalayataksam Varhavatam Samasitam Buddhasundarangam Kandarbhakotikamaniya Vishesha Shobham Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Alola Chandra Kalashaddvana Malya Vamsi Ratnangadam Pranayakeli Kalavilasham Shyamam Trimangalalitam Niyata Prakasham Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami Angani Yasya Sakalendriya Pashyanti Panti Kalayanti Hiram Jaganti Ananda Chinmaya Shadujvala Vigrahasya गोविन्दमादिपुरुषमहं भजामि अद्वैतमच्युतमनादिमनाथरूपम् आद्यं पुराणपुरुषं नवयौवनं वेदेषु दुर्लभमधुर्लभमात्मभक्तो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषमहं भजामि कण्ठस्थु कोटिशतवत्सरसंप्रणम्यो वायोरथापि मनसो निभुङ्गपानां शोभ्यस्ति यत्प्रपदचिन्ततत्त्वे गोविन्दमादिपुरुषमहं भजामि एकोऽप्यशौरचयितुं जगदण्डकोटिं यच्छक्तिरस्ति जगदण्डजयाय दन्तः खण्डान्तरस्तपरमानुचयन्तरस्तम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषमहं भजामि यद्भावभावितधियोस्तथैव सम्प्राप्य रूपमहिमानजानकोशः सुक्तिर्यमेकनिष्ठैस्तुवन्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषमहं भजामि प्रेमाञ्जनचुरितलोचनेन शान्ता सदैव विलोकयन्ति रम्यं सुन्दरमचिन्तगुणस्वरूपं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि रामादिमूर्तिषु कलानियमेन तिष्ठन् नानावतारमकरोषु वनेषु किन्तु कृष्ण स्वयं परमात्मो मान्यो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि यस्य कोटिष्वशेषवसुधादिविभूतिभिन्नं तद्ब्रह्मनिष्कलमनन्तमशेषभूतं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि माया हि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि आनन्दचिन्मय यः प्राणिनं प्रतिफलं परतां लीलायितेन भुवनानि जाति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि लोकनाम्नि निजधाम देवी महेशहरिधामतेषु ते प्रभावनिशयाश्रयेण गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि सृष्टि स्थिति प्रलय साधन संकीर्तिरेका ताएव जस्य भुवनानि इच्छानुरूपमपि गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि धीरं यथा दधिविकारविशेषयोगा संजायते नहि तथा यः सम्भूतामपि तथा सम्पैतिकार्यात् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि दीपार्चिते बहिरशङ्करमाद्युपेत्या दीपायते विविधसमानधर्मा गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि यः कारणजले भजति निद्रामनन्तजगदन्तशतोमकूपः आधारशक्तिमपरं स्वमूर्तिं गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि यस्यैकनिष्ठकालमवलम्ब्य जीवन्ति लोकविरजाजलनाथनाथ विष्णुर्महर्षयः गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि भास्वान् यथा सकलेषु निरेषु प्रियं ब्रह्मायेष जगदन्तर्विधानकर्ता गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि यत्पादपल्लवयुगं विधाय वन्दे प्रणामसमयेश विघ्नान् विहन्तु जगत्रयस्य गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि अग्निर्मही गगनमरुद्दिशाश्च कालस्तमनसीत्रयानि यस्मात् भवन्ति विशन्ति गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि यः चक्षुरेष सविता राजा समूर्तिरशेषतेजा यस्यज्ञया भ्रमति संवृत्तकालचक्रो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि धर्मोऽथपापनिचयस्तुतयस्तपस्मि ब्रह्मादिपताकामोदयस्तदीपः यद्दत्तमत्रविभवं प्रकटप्रभावः गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि जस्त्वेन्द्रगोपमथवेन्द्रमहोत्पकर्म बन्धानुरूपफलभाजनमान्तनोति कर्माणि निर्दहति भक्तिभाजम् गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं भजामि यं क्रोधकामसहज प्रणयादिभीति वात्सल्यमोहगुरगौरवसेव्यभावै संचिन्त्य तस्य सदृशं च नुमापुरेति गोविन्दनादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि श्रीयकान्त परमपुरुष कल्पतरवो नुमापुरिश्चिन्तामणिगणमयीगणमयीमृतम् गानं नाट्यं गमनमपि ज्योति परमपि च यात्र शिरः शारदाख्यो वा व्रजति नाहि यत्रापि भजे श्वेतद्विपङ्कमहं इदन्तस्ते शान्तास्ते की जय।
Everything is completed just at right time. You can hide your video now, Rajan Prabhu, and you can prepare them. Rajan Prabhu, you can stop your video and can prepare them.
हरे हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, अभी थोड़ा ये ड्रेसिंग करूंगा मैं। आप भागवतम क्लास कर सकते हैं हरविंदर को, आप थोड़ा दे सकते हैं क्या प्रभु जी, थोड़ा भागवतम क्लास 10-15 मिनट के लिए।
Let everyone speak, Prabhuji. Why you are telling my name?
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है प्रभु जी।
10 minutes, 5 minutes. Everyone who is present can speak now. All our senior devotees here. So, who is initiated devotee? Rathin Prabhu can start. Then Rathin Prabhu will pass on to next devotee. Then next devotee will pass on to next devotee. So we'll try to cover up everyone now. And in this.
Prabhu, you only start.
Recording stop हुआ?
Oh, should I stop, Prabhu?
नहीं, जाने दीजिए, रहने दीजिए।
Okay.
When you are in the main picture recording, when we speak, stop recording. Yes.
Oh. इसको क्या करें?
Prabhu, on what topic should I speak? DTs. Any specific verse, Prabhu? Okay, bro. Am I audible to everyone? Okay. नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवाद काश्यपरिष्कारिणे कांचकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। Yeah, so the science of deities is explained very nicely in Srimad Bhagavatam also. Like in the 11th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, Lord Krishna is explaining Uddhava, the process of deity worship. Okay. Yeah. So this is a very important limb of our devotional service. Like we know in the Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu, our Rasatattva Acharya, Srila Rupa Goswami has given 64 limbs of devotional service. And among those 64 limbs, 5 limbs are very prominent. Those are Sadhu Sangha Nam Kirtan, Bhagavata Shravan, Mathura Vash, and Sri Murtir Shraddhaya Sevan. সকল সাধন সার এই পঞ্চ অঙ্গ কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি জন্মায় এই পাঁচের অল্প সঙ্গ. So these 5 limbs are sakala sadhana sar. This is the essence of all our devotional practices. And obviously we know that chanting the holy names is the yuga dharma. Still this process of deity worship is also very much purifying to our consciousness. Specifically, it helps us to increase punctuality and goodness of a living entity, and this endears a living entity to Krishna. So here it is a warning that it will be stopped after a few minutes, the meeting. Should we start a new meeting then? It's about to end.
नया मीटिंग चालू करते हैं फिर.
Okay. So I am giving one link. Devotees can join there. So it will be unlimited.
Okay.
Yes, Hare Krishna. So as we were continuing, that this process of deity worship is among the most 5 potent limbs of devotional service, and regularly doing deity worship actually helps us to build our relationship with the Lord, and this relationship is the basis of everything. That is why if we summarize our Gaudiya Vaishnava philosophy, it will come into 3 points: Sambandha, Avideya, and Prayojan. So the first thing comes Sambandha. So building relationship is very important, and it is also significance of this deity worship is that we are worshipping the Lord in personal form. So therefore it also helps us to reduce some inborn impersonalism which is inside us. Yes, so I think that's other devotees also can speak. Rikit Prabhu, can you speak?
Yes, Prabhu. Will I speak on this deity?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, I may just share something that I heard from Shripadayendra Prabhu on this deity worship topic. So Ayendra Prabhu would say that what is the main ingredient of installing deity? What is the main item? Actually, he would quote Haribhakti Vilas. He would quote Haribhakti Vilas, and he would say that the main item for installing the deity is Nam Sankirtan, and other things these are all secondary, but the main thing is Nam Sankirtan. So that's a very important point, that in every case the main item, because it's a Yuga Dharma, we have to understand that it's a Yuga Dharma. There is nothing more than Nam Sankirtan. So Nam Sankirtan is the main ingredient for deity installation. And another thing, that why someone may ask that Yuga Dharma is Nam Sankirtan, then what is the use of deity worship? Well, then that is the explanation, is that we perform Nam Sankirtan in front of the deities, so that the deity may cleanse his merciful, the deity may cast his merciful glance on us on our performance of Nam Sankirtan. So that's also important. So we perform Nam Sankirtan for the pleasure of the deities, in front of the deities, and in every situation the main focus is Nam Sankirtan, because it's the Yuga Dharma. We must remember that. And Archa Vigraha is, of course, we know it is the manifestation of Archa Vigraha, manifestation of Supreme Lord, and only who can invoke Krishna on the Vigraha, on the deity. One who has gotten Krishna, who is 10% God in Krishna, who is with Krishna, only he can invoke Krishna on the deity in the Archa Vigraha. For that reason, deity installation requires presence of pure devotee. Still, if it is not possible, we perform Nam Sankirtan, we sincerely pray to the Lord that he may appear. Because after all, Krishna is not dependent on anybody. He is Purna Abhika Swarat. He is Swarat, he is independent. We cannot say that we are doing this thing, therefore he must come. No, there's no like that. So if he desires, similarly, the Nam is also like that. Shuddha Nam is, is Krishna himself. So he descends on our tongue, he dances on our tongue by his own will. When he chooses somebody, when he chooses some living entity, he comes down and he dances on our tongue. So we cannot force Krishna. We must understand that. Sometimes we may think that, because we are doing this, that Krishna must come. It's not like that. It's never like that. He comes by his own free will. Therefore, what we do, we can just do Nam Sankirtan as much as possible. We sincerely pray to the Lord that he may appear in the deity form and accept our service. And what is the main service in this yuga? The main service is Nam Sankirtan. That Krishna may come in the deity and he may cast as much of bless on our performance of Nam Sankirtan. So that's it. Very good.
Very good. Nandi Prabhu,
You have to tell someone's name.
yes, Prabhu, you can tell.
Arkit Prabhu, you have to tell someone's name.
Oh, Abhi Bole Prabhu, Harvinder Prabhu. सुनाई दे रहा है म्यूट है आपसे प्रभु आप म्यूट है हरि बोल हरमंदर प्रभु
नहीं मैं कैसे बोलूं नवीन प्रभु you please speak Prabhu something.
No, Prabhu, you
Prabhu,
please take.
please
Sorry,
speak.
Prabhu.
No, I will feel very bad.
No, Prabhu,
You
sorry, Prabhu. No,
something
don't take it as
about
a offense or
Prabhu.
anything, Prabhu.
Rajendra
No,
Prabhu certificate. These all people are speaking about DT glories. You speak Rajendra Prabhu glories. You know better.
No, please, Prabhu. You speak, Prabhu, on my behalf also. Please take 10 minutes and speak.
Naveen Prabhu, yeah, no, Naveen,
Yeah,
I'm
please,
very
Prabhu. Yeah.
grateful who brought us to Krishna consciousness. I was just formatting back the dates. Today, Rajendra Prabhu is 30 August, and we have in India 31st August, Prabhupada appearance day. There is Janmashtami, a very rare event of both the places having auspicious things, right? So I was just dating back the dates of 2015. 2015 Rath Yatra was on 18th July. I distinctly remember because my train stopped in Havda. Sarthak Prabhu and one more Rohit, sorry, not Rohit, his name was Rajat. From Indore, they went to KGP, but since I had attended Utkarsha, I wanted to go to Rath Yatra. I came to Calcutta Rath Yatra, and that was Eid also in Calcutta. And my home also there was Eid. All my neighbors are Muslims. I am the only Hindu family in the entire locality. So they had gifted me pajama kurta of the Muslims. Because I was going to IIT, it's nice for our town and all. So the whole Rath Yatra I was in their Muslim dhoti kurta. People may be thinking कौन dance कर रहा है? वो पजामा फट भी गया था डांस करते करते पतला होता है. Whatever. So 18 July I remember. After 18 July, Ulta Rath happens in our Calcutta after 10 days. So it was something like 27th July or 26th July. 26th or 27th July, we ate jam, guava in the Mahaprasad, myself, Sachin Prabhu and all of us. As soon as I returned back to KGP, got heavy fever. I was admitted in hospital. Devotees could not make my things to reach hospital. That time Naveen Prabhu was only there. After 2 days, he remembered that there is one soul admitted in BC. He brought my toothpaste and made sure that I get prasadam. I'm very grateful for the Prabhu. Then I got discharged from the hospital 30th August 2015. I was just looking at all these dates. I remember them. As soon as I got discharged from the hospital, actually, the thing which was supposed to do after Rath Yatra, Ulta Rath, was to register the boys for our our device sessions. As soon as I got discharged from the hospital, there was no one actually to take me to voice. Devotees were busy doing registration, so I felt that let me also go into registration. So that was the day, which was either 30 or 31st. I did not forget. We have registered 2 boys that were Vaibhav Prabhu and Chandan and Rajendra Kesi Prabhu. So today is also 31st August 2015. 21 or 30 August 2021, exactly after 6 years, Rajendra Prabhu is spiking his advancement by inviting Gaur-Neta at his room. It's a coincidence, a spiritual coincidence. Maybe Lord Chaitanya remembered that, okay, this may be, and he planned actually to do it on Radha Ashtami, but Janmashtami mein aisa aaya ki I was feeling very nice. This is a very memorable day. Next day, Naveen Prabhu, like 31st August and the 1 September, Naveen Prabhu registered Atharva Prabhu and Rohit Prabhu registered Chandan Patil Prabhu. So all these 4 people actually shifted to voice. So today is a historic day in that sense. Maybe next Bhagavatam will speak about 31st August as a festival. But yes, I am very happy. Rajendra Prabhu, how is installing deities? Deities have very high standard. And in our ISKCON temples, sometimes when we go, like we are not allowed to do service, and you have to do this and you have to do that and this and that and this and that. How he will be able to do deity worship in America, and how his inviting of the deities is legitimate actually is the authority of Srila Prabhupada from Bhagavatam 4th Canto 8th chapter, where Narad Muni is instructing Dhruva Maharaj to invite Lord Vishnu in a deity form at the banks of river Yamuna in Madhuvan. So as Archit Prabhu said, chanting of the holy names and the desire of the devotees invite the deities in the form. Deities, rules and regulations actually we make according to time, place and circumstances. If you go to Srila Prabhupada times when devotees used to do Sankirtan till night, Sankirtan means they used to chant the holy names. Later on Sankirtan became the distribution of the books. But exactly Sankirtan is chanting of the holy names on the street and book distribution is always separate. Prabhupada always said this two separate. But okay, if someone says book distribution is Sankirtan, then आप देखेंगे book तभी बटेगा जब पीछे holy name चल रहा हो, नहीं तो book भी ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ता है. Anyone who has done book distribution may know this. So devotees used to do Sankirtan in pubs and the bars of America till night 12 and the 1. You know, that time devotees used to wake up 6 and 7 o'clock. Even Vishnujan Swami Maharaj, who is very famous, 74 and 75, when Srila Prabhupada will visit Los Angeles and San Francisco temples, that time many devotees from the Damodar bus party will awake late, and Prabhupada was not too much on them. So time, place and circumstances again. There are some temples like Vrindavan, Mayapur, Los Angeles, who are like main, except New York was always Prabhupada was really there. Prabhupada was like, 4 o'clock and don't give breakfast prasad and don't give lunch prasad. And if you're 5 days late, then go out of the temple. Prabhupada was that heavy. Or Grahastha, who was serving in the temple to the deities, they have to come. Prabhupada was like thunderbolt in Vrindavan. So but so many different things Prabhupada is doing, right? कैसे पता लगेगा क्या है क्या नहीं है? So actually everything is right according to time, place and circumstance, Acharya saw. Then for all of us, he gave instructions in his book, especially about deity worship. He provided that in Dhruva section, when a 5-year-old boy who is not even Brahman initiated, Dhruva is not Brahman initiated. 5-year-old, he has not got Janev Sanskar. You get Janev Sanskars in Savarna families when you cross the age of 5, but he is still 5-year-old. He has no Janev Sanskar, he has no Upnayan, he has no Brahman initiation. He is in the jungle. He don't know what he will get to eat. He will get flowers or he will get fruits or the roots. There is no surety, but Narada is telling him to install the deities. And there he is giving the instruction of time, place and circumstance, and Prabhupada is writing beautiful, beautiful purports. So same, and I have seen in my Qualcomm actually, I was thrilled. Meat eater Bengali, Brahmin, but Bengali, you know, kya ho chuka hai, pata nahi, kuch to ajeeb se hi ho gaya hai. So he's doing, and when I will go in his cabin, he has a small Gopalji. The Vishnu Doot aaya hai mere company mein. Just behind me is his cabin, he is having Gopalji in his this thing. मैंने कहा इससे तो association ले सकते हैं, बच गया मैं तो. There is one Vishnu Doot who is worshipping Gopalji in his company's cabin. He was new joinee with me 2019. Then we went to the eating area of the company. So I took my prasadam from the base. I was eating our food and he brought his plate, and there were like I can't speak those names, but those things were present in it. I got shocked. And he said that this Gopal deity is some deity of 6th generation before, and his stories he started telling, and I was shocked that he's not following anything. Still Lord is ready to be present with him. Then similarly, story of a Kasai, I forgot his name, who will use Shaligram Shila for weighing the meat. This story comes in Padma Puran. Later on, this is the same person जो हम device में बोलते हैं उसका हाथ कट गया, गाय को दिखाने का वो past life आता है कि वो थी where cow is. So he could not tell lie, otherwise he will lose Brahmanhood. So he just showed his hand. So next life, uska haath cut gaya, and he was going on the way to Jagannath Puri. So he was distressed that Lord, मैं आपके मंदिर जा रहा था, कैसे हो गया? तो उसमें भगवान उसको सपने में आके बोल दी कि प्रीवियस लाइफ का तुमने वो गाय को हाथ दिखाया था, तो इस लाइफ में तुम कसाई भी बने, अभी तुम्हारा हाथ काटना पड़ा. But the point is, Shaligram Shila is highest of all the standards. Anyone in ISKCON won't dare to worship Shaligrams. In I think America, first person to worship them was Pradyumna and His Holiness Radhanath Maharaj. And in India, it was our two nice brothers, Pankaj Agri Prabhujan. Very high worship. Shaligram is, you will fall down sure if you do mistake. But here, mercy of Lord Shaligram, you see, he's ready to live in the home of Kasai. When Brahmana saw that, he wanted to take it to his home and worship them. Shaligram said that, no, why you are taking my opportunity to deliver a fallen soul? I am showing miracles just for him. वो जितना मास रखता है, मैं उसने वेट का हो जाता हूँ. क्यों? उसका attention चाहता हूँ, उसका attraction मुझे चाहता है कि एक बार वो मेरा सेवा करे, मैं उसको deliver करना चाहता हूँ. और वो गाने गाता है विष्णु के, कोई भी भक्तों के, और ये करता है, मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So rules and regulations are at one place. Our feelings are at one place. Who we are, small souls. But most important is the feeling of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And he is very pleased when he gets a chance to somehow or other deliver his devotees. And that is the way these deities, whenever they are formed at a metallurgical shop, they already have the desire to whose home they want to go. When they manifest in the molds of a iron smith or a bronze smith, already Lord Vishnu in the Vaikuntha has made the plan that to whose home they will go. And if they reach to someone, he is a very fortunate soul. They will be his deliverers. Even it's like Lord Chaitanya. He knew that Kala Krishna Das is a weak devotee. He may slip down anytime if Lord Chaitanya leaves Puri में चैतन्य महाप्रभु नहीं तो कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाएगा, बहुत भक्तों के साथ गड़बड़ हो सकता है. In the end, we saw Kala Krishna Das got hooked up in Kerala with Bhattaharis, right? What Lord Chaitanya did, choti pakad ke wapas leke aaya usko. So similarly, we see in America, like he could not get flowers. It's shock in India. You just go outside, there are so many flower shops. Those flower shops, they will keep bouquet for girlfriends and boyfriends for minute uses. But mostly what these flower shop people will sell is flowers for the temples, for the deities of various demigods and the Supreme Lord. So in this way, if we have deities, then they will, like Lord Chaitanya will be there to catch Rajendra Prabhu's hairs and bring me. As they came in my home, I would have fallen down if these deities would not have come themselves. So it's a good opportunity. He can take benefit of it, worship it according to time, place, and circumstances. When he will leave his home for doing PhD, he will look at them. He will remember that I am a Gaudiya Vaishnava. I have some principles to follow. When he will come back distressed and frustrated after the PhD, I don't know if he like that. I generally used to come back like this only from hostel, distressed and frustrated. And even if it is 8 or 8:30, I would like to sing Kirtan. If some devotees say don't sing Kirtan, then anyway I will sing Kirtan. So many have that experience. When he will come back, he will be having his good friends to share his heart with, not to get, and his roommate also. If Rajendra Prabhu is determined, slowly someday he can say his roommate ki glass भगवान को चढ़ा दो करके, अपन ऑनियन गार्लिक नहीं बनाते क्या है, उनको लगता नहीं, चलो ये फ्रूट्स लाके तुम काट के उनको रख सकते हो. His roommate will become devotee slowly, doing all these things. These are all tricks and techniques. And Rajendra Prabhu, we all saw today his way to manage, ना कैसे उन्होंने engage किया सबको so sweetly, and we don't even know. So like this is there, Prabhu. And surely when he will be chanting, they will remind him his commitments of japa. They will remind him some standards whenever, and then this will become his family deities afterwards. Generations after generations, they will be worshipped. No one can. Many families, Krishna or Ram deities are like that. Goswamis preached in North India. Those deities, so we don't know. This was from my grandfather. Then this was my grandmother. Ultimately, it boils down to sometime when Rup Goswami may have given that deity when that person would have gone to this thing, what is name, Vrindavan. Like this actually happened. Many people took the surname Goswami because they got deity from Goswami of a small Gopal, Chaitanya Charitamrita. You know? So like that, Prabhu. So these deities will become eternal at his home. Until unless his family converts to Islam, they will never throw the deity. And even some Muslim families, they worship deities in South India as well as in North India. They have their small, older generations, they worship them. Rajasthan especially, they never discard deities even if they convert to Islam. And deities anyway will protect. So like this, I'm very happy Rajendra Prabhu has taken a good stand, and it's like he himself, Andhra Prabhu has a great role in this. Andhra Prabhu incited him, then he got, as much as I know the pastime. So it's a very nice beginning, and we don't know what pastimes these deities will do in Illinois Urbana. I don't know if I am correctly pronouncing the name, and maybe in future they will become principal deities or something there, or we don't know if some professor will fall in love with them and would pick up the mission of Lord Chaitanya, and we don't know how these deities will end up where. We just don't know. We knew Jagannath ji coming in an airport lounge, and then you know what happened in America. Big history of Rath Yatra. Who called Lord? He came there. He attracted Malti Mata ji. She stole. Restoring the regulative principle, break ho gaya Vaishnav. He came. Similarly, these deities are coming and devotees are blessing. I request everyone to keep on praying for Rajendra Prabhu. Keep in touch with him, and may Rajendra Prabhu do all his worships as much as he can do. Like flowers are not there, fine. America is there, but figure out some place where flowers are there. So that will engage his mind. Or ye nahi tha, chalo ye leke aane ka. Every 2 months, 1 month, whatever commitment he will take, he will prepare. And it's not like that in 2 hours we will get our doctorate degree. Na कई बार ऐसा होता है, कोई एग्जाम आ रहा है, आज ही का दिन तो सब पढ़ना है, नहीं बर्बाद हो जाऊंगा. पूरा सेमेस्टर रिकॉर्ड हो ना आराम से, एक दिन में आप हाहाकार नहीं हो जाए. जिस दिन महाराज आ रहे हैं कैलकाटा में, जिस दिन रथ यात्रा है, जिस दिन जन्माष्टमी, तो वो प्लान ही ऐसा करना है कि वो एक दिन बच जाए ना. उस एक ही दिन में हम आइंस्टीन नहीं बन जाएंगे, उस एक ही दिन में हमें ना मर नहीं जाएंगे भूखे रह नहीं, बट उसमें हेल्थ खराब हो सकती है, भूखा एक अलग, बट आइंस्टीन नहीं बन जाएंगे. या फिर उस एक ही दिन में मैं करोड़पति नहीं बन जाऊंगा, कॉलकॉम का सीईओ नहीं बन जाऊंगा. एक दिन में कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Few hours we can devote to this, and he will be pleased. Then what he do is beyond our control. Yes, that's all from my end. Please forgive me if I say something wrong. Rajendra Prabhu can tell us whenever you have prepared, Prabhu. नहीं तो चलता रहेगा eternally, है ना?
तो ये हो गया.
हो गया. और देख लेते ना, और डिवोटीज हैं बहुत सारे. आपके वैभव प्रभु कहाँ हैं? उनको तो बोलना है, वो तो हमारे मेन डीटी हैं.
वैभव प्रभु किधर है? वैभव प्रभु
लगता है निकल गए, उनको अंदेशा हो गया था. उनका नाम
वैभव
चंदन
प्रभु ज्वाइन किए थे प्रीवियस मीटिंग में.
हाँ चले. आई प्रे दैट जो भी डिवोटी ये लोग लबासना वो जाना चाहते हैं मसूरी के कॉलेज में, वो भी अपने साथ एक एक को लेके जाएं. राजेंद्र प्रभु ने बिगिनिंग कर दिया इस बैच का. सो इट विल बी वेरी नाइस इवन इफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सर्कल ऑफ इंडिया स्टार्ट अ रेवोल्यूशन, एंड दैट विल बी नाइस. तो आपके बैचमेट है, आप ही प्रपोज करिए, आप उनके नाम. राजेंद्र यू आर द लीडर.
क्या प्रभु?
बोलिए आपके बैचमेट में से उनको बोलिए कि उनको 5-5 मिनट सीक्वेंस में बोलना है, उनका नाम आप प्रपोज करो. मेरी बात नहीं सुनेंगे. ठीक है, मैं प्रपोज करता हूँ. किसका नाम? मैं तो वैभव प्रभु. चंदन पाटिल प्रभु, प्लीज स्पीक. अभी टाइम रिड्यूस कर देते, अभी 2 मिनट कर देते, क्योंकि वो राजेंद्र प्रभु का 12 o'clock हो रहा होगा. कल उन्होंने कॉलेज से छुट्टी नहीं लिया है, तो उनको वो भी करना है. चंदन पाटिल प्रभु, प्लीज स्पीक समथिंग. अनम्यूट ही करिए वीडियो का. अनम्यूट करके बोलना भी है, मतलब वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. चंदन पाटिल जो.
हेलो, हरे कृष्णा प्रभु.
हाँ प्लीज स्पीक.
प्रभु, I can attend. I'm in class right now.
अच्छा ओके. यस
I can just hear.
तो क्लास में तो चंदन पाटिल की जस्ट ऊपर राज सिद्धार्थ कृष्णा प्रभु, प्लीज एनलाइटन अस विथ योर स्वीट वर्ड्स.
हाँ, सिद्धार्थ कृष्ण प्रभु, जय जय.
सिद्धार्थ कृष्णा प्रभु.
Hare Krishna bro, am I audible?
हाँ
यस.
मैं अपने.
So a few weeks ago, I was listening one lecture of Sankirtanand Prabhu, in which he was telling that actually the result of voice training it can be seen in what devotees are doing after they pass out of voice. So when I got this message that Rajendra Prabhu is installing DTs at his residence in US, so I became very happy that Rajendra Prabhu, even he was one of the strongest devotees in our batch, very strict in his practice. Like I remember when we were in 3rd year, one day in the morning we woke up and we saw that Rajendra Prabhu is paying Dandavat. And he's sleeping like that only. Matlab in night before sleeping, when he was paying Dandavat, after filling the sadhana card while paying Dandavat only, he fell to sleep, and in the morning he woke up paying Dandavat only. So like this. So Rajendra Prabhu was one of the devotees who we can see who exercises every bit of his energy and every bit of his consciousness in Krishna's service. And I came to know last year when Rajendra Prabhu came to our Puri Voice, this new center. Sorry, not Puri Voice, whatever it is now. So that place, Rohit Prabhu was sharing that when he was in Kathmandu, so when he was in Nepal, so Rajendra Prabhu used to attend the morning program of that temple every day at 4:30, and that temple was some kilometers away from his home. So he used to wake up early, he used to take bath, and through cycle he used to go to the temple in Nepal, and every day he used to attend morning program. So like this. So Rajendra Prabhu has been very inspirational in his practice of Krishna consciousness on every level for me. For personal level, even for the devotees, he used to very nicely take care of all the devotees. I still sometimes I have some photos of voice, so sometimes I occasionally look at that. So in one photos I can clearly see Rajendra Prabhu is there in center, and Ratin Prabhu, Anurag Prabhu, Varna Prabhu, all the second year devotees are there, and he is teaching this biotechnology to them, that second year subject. So like this, he was very helpful to the juniors also. So I, uh, I pray to Radha Govindji, and I pray to Gaurnitai that Lord Krishna bestows his mercy upon him, and he can keep on inspiring all of us. Yesterday I was listening one talk by Radhanath Swami Maharaj. He was also telling the same thing, that ultimately what Srila Prabhupada has given all of us is what gift we all of us can give to Srila Prabhupada is setting a good example for the community and for the future generations to come. And that is how we can please Srila Prabhupada. He was telling that even though we are taking small steps, baby steps, we are not able to walk, we are just crawling towards Krishna with some sincerity. Srila Prabhupada is very pleased with that. And that is how we should continue in Krishna consciousness, and that is how that is the service that we have to do by setting a good example. So I wish that Rajendra Prabhu keeps on inspiring all of us like this, and he can take care of the DTs very nicely, and Gaurnitai takes care of him in US. So reward.
अरे यो और इनके बैचमेट कौन कौन है? वैभव प्रभु तो भाग गए, अधर प्रभु।
वैभव प्रभु आ गए ब्रो फिर से।
हाँ वैभव, हम तो आपको कितना याद कर रहे थे। प्रो प्लीज गिव अस अ गुड टॉक। कहाँ है वैभव प्रभु?
अभी तो एडमिट किए थे,
भाग गए थे। पकड़िए उनको आप व्हाट्सएप। अधर प्रभु, यू प्लीज कंटिन्यू, विल कैच वैभव प्रभु।
So Sachin Prabhu is also there, na?
Sachin Prabhu also left, very talented soul.
Yes.
But I am catching him here. He's taking prasadam, so I cannot tell anything. So, Acha Prabhu, please say something.
Hare Krishna. I wanted to. I was remembering how Rajendra Prabhu's intimacy with the DT started. It was in our second year. Not in our second year, in our third year. Ravi Bhushan Prabhu was allocating DT services to all the devotees, all of our batchmates. And then one day Ravi Bhushan Prabhu came to me and he told that I wanted to give to Rajendra Prabhu. He has so much love for DT, but still he's afraid to do DT worship. So I went to him and I asked him, so why are you not doing DT worship? So you should do DT worship. I quoted many things. And Prabhu was a little bit afraid just to start something new or to shave his beard, simple things, but he was afraid. And that day somehow I forcefully shaved his beard, and then he agreed and he did DT worship. And now after so many years, I'm seeing he's the first devotee of our batch who is installing DTs and taking such nice care. I'm very much inspired by him, and I pray that I was reading just after I came to know that Rajendra Prabhu is going to install Gaur Nitai. I felt like reading the pastime of Hriday Chaitanya Thakur, of the disciple of Gauridas Pandit. So we're feeling same that Rajendra will also create such devotees, and God Nitai will be dancing in his kirtan in Illinois, and many more his devotees created there will be like Shamanand Pandit Prabhu getting the personal mercy of Radharani. I pray that Rajendra wonderfully creates a new temple there in Illinois because it's not there yet. Hari Bol.
सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु भी थोड़ा बोल सकते हैं, हरि बोल। सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु आए। सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु।
हरे कृष्ण।
हरि बोल प्रभु।
थोड़ा कुछ बोलिए प्रभु।
हाँ प्रभु। Yes प्रभु। प्रभु like I am remembering like some of the time when Rajan Prabhu used to go for like purchasing in the voice, and like a lot of like dedication he has for purchasing. Like when we used to do Utkarsa program, and like whole day the very much hectic day used to there, and Prabhu like with a lot of dedication he used to purchase for the voice. And I have remember one time we went in night for purchasing some of the vegetables, and there that lot of the dogs was there like they started barking, and like I always remember that incident. Then Prabhu told like we have to pray to Lord Narsimha Dev Ji to then this dog will means go away. Then at that time we means prayed very intensely to Lord Narsimha Dev. Then like we overcome that situation. And like, Prabhu has a lot of heart for the deities. Like in fifth year, I have remembered that in LVS room, the Prabhu has in his room the deities of Govind Dev Ji is there, and Gaur Nitai Ji, Jagannath Baldev, Subhadra Maharani Ji, and like I always got inspired from the Prabhu Ji that how like, we have to like care for the deities. Yes, and I was reading 2-3 days ago that like if we remember Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like Prabhu is installing the deities of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So like in like Kali Yuga, whatever the problem we are facing or the whatever our service is there, then it become easy for us to performing that. Like if does not remember the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even the little things it become difficult for us to performing, and the even harder thing become the easy when we remember the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And like I am thinking Prabhu is following the like instruction of Prabhupada, by installing the deities, and he always like remembering the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yes, and like Prabhu used to preach in for preaching, like always enthusiastic in KGP, and Prabhu used to give the device session. Like I got many of the inspiration from the Prabhu, means how we have to preach, how we have to means even for my studying also. Prabhu has inspired me a lot, because in those times in boys, Prabhu has used to Prabhu has his responsibility to make all the devotees to study, like study slot was there. And Prabhu has by his personal example, he has inspired me a lot, like how we have to do our occupational duties also, and devotional service also, and also engaging in preaching work, and doing service for the Lord. So like Prabhu has a lot of inspiration for me, and like Prabhu is giving the example for like installing the deities. I mean, where we are, whatever we are doing, So like, and like I want like blessing from Rajan Pro that I also get inspired, and Pro is means exemplary devotee for me. Yes, Pro. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु। अभी आरती करे, शायद आरती करते फिर।
हरि बोल।
हरि बोल।
आप दीजिए और थोड़ा सा बोलिए आप भी।
मैं थोड़ा कुछ बोलूंगा मैं कुछ बोलूंगा थोड़ा सा, 2 मिनट। मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ सारे डिवोटीज जो आए वीडियो कॉलिंग के लिए, और बहुत सारे डिवोटीज। हाँ हाँ, तो इसीलिए तो मुझे ये डीटी रखने को मोटिवेशन बहुत डिवोटीज ने दिया, सीनियर हरविंदर प्रभु सबने, और इक्वल्स ने भी बहुत मदद की है। इक्वल्स तो अथर प्रभु बता ही रहे थे कि पहली बार डीटी वर्शिप में मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा था, स्पेशली ये सेविंग करने में बहुत डर लग रहा था, कभी सेविंग नहीं किया था उससे पहले। तो अथर प्रभु बोल रहे थे अरे कुछ नहीं होगा कुछ नहीं होगा तो उन्होंने करवा दिया जैसे भी करके। फिर उसके बाद तो फिर इजी लगा, उसके बाद तो फिर रहता है सब पहले स्टार्टिंग में कुछ भी चीज करने में थोड़ा ये रहता है, फिर उसके बाद मतलब सही रहा। फिर तो वैसे अथर प्रभु बाकी चीज में भी मोटिवेट करते रहते थे मुझे, यात्रा में इंचार्ज बनने के लिए भी मोटिवेट किए थे एक बार, तो ऐसे। फिर सिद्धार्थ कृष्ण प्रभु भी सिद्धार्थ कृष्ण प्रभु तो एकदम फायरी डिवोटी लगते हैं मुझे, एकदम वॉइस में सबसे फायरी डिवोटी नाम से ही मुझे सिद्धार्थ कृष्ण प्रभु का याद आता है। एक बार अचित महाप्रभु बोल रहे थे कि आपको थोड़ा फायरी डिवोटी के साथ ये करना पड़ेगा, जैसे टच करते ही एक आग लगे ऐसा, वैसे डिवोटी के साथ। तो मुझे एकदम सिद्धार्थ कृष्ण प्रभु याद आ गए। वो एकदम मतलब साधना इतना अच्छे से करते थे, प्रीचिंग करने के लिए जाते थे, आते थे, इतने सारे बच्चे लेके आते थे, एकदम सब चीज में एकदम आगे आगे थे तो उनको देख के बहुत मोटिवेशन आता था। फिर सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु तो मुझे एकदम प्योर डिवोटी लगते हैं तो वो तो हमेशा मतलब उनको भक्ति के अलावा कुछ है नहीं सिर्फ भक्ति करेंगे ऐसा। सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु और फिर चंदन पाटिल प्रभु, एकदम दोनों मुझे ऐसा लगता है कुछ मटेरियल चीज है ही नहीं दोनों प्रभु के लाइफ में सिर्फ भक्ति करेंगे प्रभु लोग तो वैसे हैं। तो दोनों एकदम सिंपल डिवोटी। चंदन पाटिल प्रभु भी बहुत बहुत सिंपल है, एकदम एकदम मतलब इंटेलेक्चुअल है, बहुत इंटेलिजेंट डिवोटी, फिर भी एकदम सिंपल है, एकदम हम्बल है, एकदम आराम से कहीं कोने में बैठेंगे, साधना करेंगे, सब सर्विसेज करेंगे वैसा और सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु भी एकदम मतलब साधना एकदम अच्छे से करते हो। वो हमेशा ऐसे ही भागवतम लेके इधर उधर टहलते रहते, कभी ऐसे क्या बोलते हैं दरवाजे के उधर जाके खड़े रहेंगे बैठेंगे, पर हमेशा भागवतम ही रहेगा उनका। तो वो एकदम पक्का है भागवतम स्टडी में, प्रभु जी बहुत सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु बहुत पक्के है। तो मुझे भागवतम पढ़ने में एकदम ये क्या है मोटिवेशन मिलता है प्रभु जी से। तो वैसा है। वैभव प्रभु से बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलता है मुझे। वैभव प्रभु तो एकदम डीटी में ही है, डीटी से बहुत लगाव है उनको एकदम। वो क्लास में तो साथ में ही रहते थे हम, तो मैं तो पढ़ाई में थोड़ा ध्यान देता था और प्रभु जी मोबाइल निकालते थे साइड में, फिर सब गूगल इमेजेस में देखेंगे डीटी के लिए क्या ड्रेस अच्छा है, क्या अच्छा है, डेकोरेशन के लिए क्या करना है, सब वो सब क्लास में वही चल रहा रहता था प्रभु जी का। वो कहीं पर भी जाए 24 आवर डीटी रहता था प्रभु जी के माइंड में, एकदम कैसे करे, कैसे डेकोरेट कैसे करे। तो एक बार वो क्या था वो STW VTW में उन्होंने एकदम 20-22 दिन हर दिन अलग अलग एकदम श्रृंगार कर दिए। कभी पूरा आम का पूरा झाड़ी अंदर लेके चले गए पूरा एकदम जंगल में। कभी वो क्या बोलते हैं ये रथ यात्रा का थीम था, तो रथ बनाने के लिए तो पूरा ऑल्टर को ही रथ बना दिए। तो रथ का जो ये है व्हील, वो जो किचन से लेके आए थे वो बड़े बड़े, जिसमें रोटी बेल के रखते थे ना बड़े बड़े सर्कल, तो उसको व्हील बना तो एकदम किसी भी चीज को एकदम सर्विस में कर देते हैं। तो हाँ इक्वल्स लोग एकदम अच्छे है। बहुत मोटिवेशन मिला। जूनियर भी बहुत अच्छे अच्छे जूनियर है एकदम। मुझे तो अभी इक्वल इतने अच्छे हैं, अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है फिर भी ऐसे कभी देखता हूँ तो बैच में ऐसे देखता हूँ तो मतलब जो भी सीनियर है बहुत एकदम फायरी टाइप लगते हैं और जूनियर्स भी बहुत ज्यादा फायरी लगते हैं। मुझे लगा हमारा बैच ही थोड़ा ये है, थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है। सीनियर अरविंदर प्रभु कितना अच्छे से प्रीचिंग करते, रोहित प्रभु अच्छे से करते, सचिन प्रभु सब कितने अच्छे हैं। जूनियर में भी अभी रथिन प्रभु देखे, कभी कभी मुझे डाउट आता है तो मैं रथिन प्रभु से पूछता हूँ। पिछले बार मैं एक बार आईडीसी में कुछ गुरु के रिलेटेड में कुछ डाउट आया था तो मैं सीधा जाके प्रभु जी से पूछा। प्रभु जी का उस टाइम पे हुआ था जस्ट आईडीसी, तो उनको सब पता था। तो वही है, तो इसीलिए सब डिवोटी को ग्रेटफुल हो। आए सब बहुत सारे डिवोटी आए, नवीन प्रभु भी आए हैं, आशुतोष प्रभु आए, श्रीनिवास प्रभु आए, देवेंद्र प्रभु भी आए हैं। सबको थैंक यू बोलना चाहता हूँ मैं। और हरिकित प्रभु भी आए, कीर्तन करेंगे बहुत अच्छा, ऐसा होप करूंगा। हरविंदर प्रभु आए, सचिन प्रभु भी आए थे, शायद चले गए सचिन प्रभु।
सचिन प्रभु दिल्ली में रह रहे प्रभु, तो उनके मंदिर में प्रोग्राम शुरू हो जाएगा ना, तो उनको वहाँ पे सेवा है प्रभु।
हाँ हाँ वही क्या आज तो ये है, क्या है ये
प्रभुपाद अपीयरेंस है इधर, बहुत फेस्टिवल।
हाँ
तो
फिर भी सब लोग टाइम निकाल के आए तो सबको एकदम धन्यवाद देना
और
चाहता
वैभव
हूँ।
का दादी की आंखों का ऑपरेशन है, वो हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती है, तो सर्जरी के टाइम में से वैभव प्रभु थोड़ा देर के लिए ज्वाइन कर पाए, तो उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज किया कि वो नहीं रह पाएंगे, सो स्टिल ही जॉइंड राजेंद्र। यस, now show us your deities. What is their name? What name you have given them?
Oh, name I will reveal later, naming ceremony.
Name is Iveni, but I think you had messaged me their name the day you got them.
Just
okay, let us worship.
Okay, brothers. 1 minute. I'll be back in 1 minute. ठीक है, तो अभी करेंगे, फिर अभी मैं ऑन करता हूँ। हाँ हरविंदर प्रभु चालू कर दीजिए।
कॉन्शियल बजाऊं?
हाँ बता दीजिए। जय जय गौर निताई की जय।
Oh, very sweet प्रभु।
अभी पढ़ता हूँ।
Very nice. They're looking very nice. Rajan Prabhu got all these dresses in Nepal. He searched for them many days. सिद्धार्थ साहू प्रभु का कितना अच्छा है वो स्नैपशॉट करने लायक. चलो, who will sing Kirtan?
अरे
हाँ, हरिगीत प्रभु गाएंगे, फिर रिपीट कर सकते हैं बाकी बाद में.
हरिगीत प्रभु का.
रुकराज प्रभु.
Yes, प्रभु.
মৃদঙ্গটা বাজে, মৃদঙ্গটা.
হ্যাঁ বাজাচ্ছি কিন্তু আমার তো সিনক্রোনাইজ হবে না. ওকে, জাস্ট গিভ মি 1 মিনিট. Yes, प्रभु.
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Prem Dhani.
Bro, you are not audible, bro. is singing, but we cannot hear.
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है।
Rathin Prabhu can do Prem Dhani. It's actually no clock in Indra's Prabhu's place, so we can buy it.
जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक आचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतश्री श्रीमद डिवाइन ग्रेस श्री भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजक आचार्य अष्टोत्तर शतश्री श्रीमद डिवाइन ग्रेस श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर गोस्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की नाम आचार्य श्री हरिदास ठाकुर की प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद की जय। जय श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरी गोवर्धन की जय। गंगा माई जमुना माई की जय। भक्ति देवी तुलसी महारानी की जय। श्री श्री मथुरा वृंदावन धाम की जय। श्री श्री द्वारका धाम की जय। जगन्नाथ पुरी धाम की जय। श्री मायापुर नवद्वीप धाम की जय। निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे all glories to the assembled devotees. All glories to the assembled devotees.
Hare Krishna.
All glories to the assembled devotees.
Hare Krishna.
All glories to Shri Guru and Shri Gauranga.
Gaur Hari Hari Bol.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki
Jai.
Srila Prabhupada appearance Mahamahotsav ki
Jai.
Jai. Janmashtami Haribol, America Janmashtami.
Okay. Where east meets west, east or west. इधर हम नंदोत्सव मनाएंगे, राजेंद्र प्रभु का जन्माष्टमी चल रहा है। हरि बोल। प्रेममयी छोटा गौर निताई की
हरि बोल।
जय जय। Very unique name, bro.
Bro, where is he?
Bro, चरणामृत distribute कीजिए।
हाँ bro।
Thank you very much.
हाँ bro।
Haribol Rajan, bro. Thank you very much. Thank you all devotees. Haribol.
Thank you, Navin, bro. Thank you very much.
Haribol, bro. Haribol.
This is
Hari Bol.
Sponsor our America tickets for e-drinking this channel. You have offered Bhoga Prabhu. What you have told, or you will offer now?
Now I will offer, bro. Now I will offer.
I will wait till offering. Other devotees, if they have some other engagement, I feel na, they can leave also. You offer, I will patiently wait.
Okay, bro.
Jai Rajendra. Nice room you have got. Dining table.
हरि बोल।
सार्थक प्रभु जय जय सार्थक प्रभु आएगा।
Bro, my mother wants to say you something.
हरि बोल। हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्ण माता जी। हरे कृष्ण।
हाँ फिर से बोलिए।
अरे पापा।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्ण।
हरे कृष्ण।
आपने डीटीज देखे?
हाँ खूब भालो।
अच्छा।
रोतिन की तरह जैसा है।
हाँ मेरा ऐसा है।
रोतिन को भी ऐसा है।
हाँ रतिन प्रभु का भी वैसे ही मैंने भी देखा रतिन प्रभु का।
আমাদের ডিটি গুলো আনলে দেখা যাবে।
Ratin Prabhu's secrets are open far away before. आप कुछ नहीं छुपा सकते। Your main purpose is Chaitanya disposal. Offer Rajan Prabhu, I will wait.
Oh, okay.
Let's see what.
I will. I have to make Prabhu little bit. eat little bit some items.
You have, अच्छा, जब तक fruit juice ही लगा देने, you see whatever is comfortable. But night 1 o'clock, how you will cook?
No, this is like ready-made. No, I have already half of items made.
अच्छा, fine. Then no problem. You take your time, bro. We won't disturb you. So,
Okay, so shall we end the meeting, bro?
then you have to share the photo later on of your prasad.
Yes, bro. I will
Yes.
take.
And I saw
Yes.
your fan has 4 spokes. वहाँ 4 होता है क्या पंखे में?
क्या bro?
पंखे में 4 ताड़ी होता है क्या? अपने यहाँ 3 होता है.
हाँ 4 होता है शायद इधर.
चतुर्भुज fans. Okay, bro.
ठीक है, thank you bro जी सब लोग को. ये
Yes,
सब devotees.
हाँ, हरी
हरी बोल
हरि बोल।
सार्थक प्रभु ने DTs देखे क्या bro? सार्थक प्रभु? सार्थक प्रभु है ना?
अच्छा सार्थक को हाँ yes come now.
गौरव प्रभु भी आए.
कौन आ गया?
गौरव प्रभु.
गौरव. नहीं अभी तो मुझे बहुत काम है.
ठीक है तो फिर मैं एंड कर देता हूँ.
सार्थक प्रभु आई थिंक रिप्लाइड.
हाँ हरी बोल रहा. ओ मीटिंग में है प्रभु.
कंपनी सेवा. ठीक है. जय राजेंद्र प्रभु. हरी बोल.
जय हरी बोल प्रभु जी. मैं अभी बंद कर देता हूँ.
ओके ब्रो. वांछा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय.
जय
प्रभुपाद की जय.
जय